Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Precast Chalk Talk. My name's Hagen, and today we have a really cool project we get to show you. I'm standing with my back to what is downtown Beloit, Wisconsin. You'd be amazed how many small communities like Beloit are building, renovating, rehabbing, bringing to life all sorts of jobs and economic opportunities. And with that comes a demand for housing. So today we get to look at a multi-purpose project that has apartments, condominiums, some retail on the first floor, and it's in such a cool location, right along the Rock River. Behind me is downtown Beloit, and if you kind of come around this way, we're going to get a chance to look at our brand new stadium, downtown Beloit, home of the Sky Cart, and you see the Rock River here. And if you keep panning off to the right and to what is the northwest or due west, you're going to start to see our project come in to focus. We've got so many cool products happening on this job. What we have here is a total precast structure, multi-story, upwards of 5 stories of precast. The first level you're seeing pre-stressed precast wall panels that have a form liner. We've got 1 and 2 and 3 story columns. We have elevator towers that are made of precast. We have a hollow core floor deck going in. We also have a new product called a Delta beam that's a steel beam. And our crews, as you can see, are now setting a hollow core floor on that first level. One of the first things a person will see walking up to this new building is this faux wood liner that we cast into the face of the panel. You can see even knots, the grain in the wood, all the way right up to the window. So we're on ground floor. You can see a 2-story column here, our beams, hollow core floor for that first level. And then this is the back side of the wall panels we were just looking at. This whole area down below is going to be parking. So as we look back east here, you'll start to see how things are kind of coming together. So I caught Brad. Hey, Brad.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Great. Project manager extraordinaire here. So we're standing on, with behind us is a 2-story column. Maybe this is a better look over here at this one. And there's going to be another single story that gets set on top of that.
Yes, sir.
And then another single story on top of that. Okay.
Up to 6.
Gotcha.
The angle iron is going to catch a piece of plank. It's
going
this way.
The plank's running
The
this
Delta
way.
beam connection, the Delta beams are running with the building.
Okay.
And the threaded rod that you see will go up through the Delta beam, and then there's a washer and a nut connection that locks it to the column.
All right, so Brad and I are standing in front of a nice big stack of Delta beams here. This is a prefabricated piece of steel, right? So it looks like there's a plate on the bottom, end plates obviously, and then they've got these angle plates here, long weld across the top. The hollow core is going to sit on this.
Yes, sir. This is your bearing ledge, and then the center bulk of it is where the reinforcement goes through, connecting the plank on both sides, and then it's filled solid.
Oh, right. And I think actually there's bar, at least in that one.
In some of them, there is extra rebar that you can see inside.
Okay.
For added reinforcement.
And kind of the neat thing about this design is, look at the low headroom.
Correct. Instead of using inverted T-beam like we typically
which is going to be,
30 plus inches deep, where you're in a place like what we're building here, where the headroom is a constraint
or even a steel I-beam is going to be deeper, where
Correct.
You've got the web that could be 12, 14 inches or something, and this is quite narrow. This is only, if we're doing 8-inch plank, this has got to be about an 8-inch piece, maybe a little thicker here on
Correct.
the bottom.
So
maintains the fire rating.
And gives them the headroom they want in each one of the units.
Thanks everyone for tuning in. Till next time, peace. See you, bud.
See you.